So I have no idea how many clocks are in this house, but I have clocks from all over. There's clocks in every room in this house, including the bathrooms.
This is the Loganberry one, bro. This one is tough. You don't need these stickers anymore. You know, this was back when like dudes was trying to cap about the type of hats they got.
I have these alien earrings. And I have these teddy bear earrings that I got, you know, in Philadelphia.
Wow.
It's like an old Polaroid one. So cool.
It's actually hard for me to collect stuff because I've had to start over a bunch of times. So it's like, good, I don't want to take it.
When you shine and you smile, I see shadows both times. So I blink till I'm blind. I'll be home in 6 hours. I can't dance, I can't sleep. It's whatever, baby. When I'm lost, I look up and you're levitating. Yes, I'm losing my cool. Show me what you got left for me. Yes, I'm losing my mind. Show me what you got left for me. Show me what you got
These
left.
studs that I got for my birthday, which are
Show
opal.
me what did I leave.
There's a lot of things that I don't remember.
This was like a longitude and latitude of like where Buffalo's located.
Show me how to get home. Tell me that I'm amazing. Show me all your content for me. Show me all of my faces. When they're gone, what's left of me? Show me what I got left.
I think it all goes back to like being remembered.
What did I leave? When I left.
Sometimes I wake up, I'm trying to listen for it, see if I can hear what time it is.
This has to be my favorite camera, and this is the one that my mom had. So all the tapes that she had, I was able to rewatch them on this one. I tend to focus more on the negative, so I think like having these moments reminds me like there were good parts in your life. Like not everything was bad, and I was able to get the old videos that she recorded of me, and I was able to watch them for the first time, and it was like a healing moment. I think that sparked me wanting to do the same thing that she did.
Happy Halloween!
Yeah, we need a candle too.
Happy Halloween!
Camera, look.
Hey, Beyonce.
And
CJ, you a camera hawk.